Hello my followers, today I will show you technique how you can paint with usual watercolor on nails. So such an easy picture of flower we can learn how to do right now. So what do we need? We need watercolor. It's usual watercolor what you can buy in every art shop. Water, napkin, brush, and your nail where you will paint. And you should put on your nail, you should put matte top. I don't know if you can see here. I have this one. Can't make advertising for firma, but matte top. Today I will show you just easy tool pen how to show how you can use watercolor, just to show technique. So we need to make wet our brush and take some paints on brush. And we begin from our tool pen and just put like this, like small smile. And now we clean brush and put on napkin, take away extra wet, and first with dry brush we can paint. So turn your hand, it will be like this, that tip from brush come to color, and a little bit we take this color and move. You see, slowly, step by step, you can move this color, and the same way make form from first blade, like this. Now give a little bit time that our color will be dry. If you see that it's blossoming, that means it's paint's not dry. You can blow a little bit on nail to make this color dry faster. So, and next step we need to paint right and left some more paints. So like this, just a little bit right, a little bit left, and clean your brush, take away extra water, and now we come from right color, we come to right and take these paints, move and make form. Like this. And the same way we do with another side, and come down like this. Can a little bit darker, make it and our flower. So like this, something like this. And now we see that here up we have as a line when pencil come on top, a little bit more colors, and we make dark line up from this pen. Clean brush, take away extra water, and now again turn up our hand and take colors and move these colors to make up pencil. And our flower fast ready, just need to make some leaves. So down from this flower we put something like this, and really with tip from our brush we go down to make stem like this. And now if your brush too dry to paint, a little bit more water, come to color, and now I want to make here leaf like this, just down I put color, and then we take this color up. So clean our brush, take away water, and a little bit I want to move color here to make more interesting color, yes, under our flower. And now with tip take green color for leaf, go up, control how much color you can take with water, how much color come up. So control this process. If it's not enough, I think it's not enough, I want more green. Now clean brush and put down more green color, and again to smooth colors I move this green color up like this. Some details, and such a nice flower we have. Now we wait till this flower will be totally dry, and then just with usual top gel we put on this picture, and top gel can save our painting. So this how easy we can do these pictures.